my name is Cheng. I am 8 years old. I am from PTP. My story is about Mr. Bear the turtle. One day a turtle lived in the ocean that called Mr. Bear. His family are gone for 3 years. And one day Mr. Bear see a fish that the fish asked what's wrong. Mr. Bear says my family are gone for 3 years, but I can't find them. The fish said, let me help you to find your family first. My name is Bob. Mr. Bear says, okay, you and me, let's find my family. They go to a cage and they saw a big shark. The big shark says, you are never get your family back again. Mr. Bear said, Mr. Joy and Bob have to find the big shark. They saved the family and were very happy. They go home with Bob asked what